Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start with a new topic, that is how to develop a game in a game developing engine. And for this I'm going to use the Unity game developing engine, which is usually lightweighted and is compatible with many low to mid spec laptop or PCs. So for this series I'm gonna follow a YouTuber whose channel's name is Brackies, and the link to his channel will be provided in the description. You should check out his videos too to make good games. And for today's video I'm gonna get you familiar with the basics of the Unity and how to install it. And as we gradually move in this series, it will be get it will get harder, so let's start the video. Firstly, you need to go to any web browser of your choice. For this, I'm choosing Google Chrome and just search Unity. Like that. Just go to the first link and download the software. Download for Windows. It should ask you where to you want to save it, and just save it. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. The After downloading it, only one of these icon will appear. That is this one. You will run this and then you will need to download a package of nearly 4 GBs. Yes, I know it's quite large, but all the assets will be included in this file only. So you will not need to download any other things. So just run that and download the file. After that, just open Unity Hub. Now, so after installing everything, now this is the Unity Hub UI. All you need to do is create a new project. I'm creating a 3D project out here. I'll just change the name. I'll just name it my first game and just create a project and call it set. Now leave your PC for nearly 5 to 10 minutes because it will take a lot of time to load the assets. So just leave it idle and see you in a bit. So now as you can see, it's loaded. So firstly, this is the whole UI of the Unity game developing engine. Here's the scene, here's the game view. You can adjust all the things here, resize them. And I normally keep the game view on the right side so that I can see the in real time update in the game. So this is the UI, here are the assets, here are all the components you can get. Here's the main camera, which you can adjust, and in game view as it's something right now in the game view, so you won't see anything. So let's just bring a 3D object, and as you can see it's updating in game. Let's just position it perfectly. As you can see, it's you can even change the lights so that the shadows are casted differently. So let's just make this a bit big. So here it is. Just let's make the cube a bit larger in scale. Let's do a 10 on x-axis and 100 on z-axis. Let's just move the camera a bit backward. You can adjust everything just with the mouse. For example, just with the right mouse button you can look around. With the left button you can click and adjust them. With the middle mouse button you can hover around holding it and even selecting an object and pressing F, it will focus on it. Just on that. After that, the scenery is quite boring, so let's just bring another object here. 3D object and name it player. Just let's bring it at the top, center it. You really can't see the object, so just uh, real really easy ways to change the color. Just go here, create a material, and let's change that color to something bluish. I hope this will look good. Let's see. uh, just now if I change anything here, it will change in real time. As you can see, here it is. Now let's just position it at y1 and z0, actually -10, -50. Here it comes, and let's give it. Yes, it's perfect. Now let's just go around, bring the camera. You can definitely just do this, and it will. Now, as you can see, if I hit play, there's quite nothing happening in this scene. So let's just let it load. Yes, you can see there's quite nothing happening. If I just pull it, it will stay here. So let's just add a component to the player. It will be physics. Here it will be rigid body. So if I added rigid body to the player, now if I pull it up and hit play, it should probably fall to the ground. And now, yes, as you can see, it's quite looking boring. So let's just get out of the play mode, and here from here you can adjust the rotation, scale of the object, and resize it and all that. So let's just change its position a bit so that it falls in a better way. Now hit play. Now as you can see, it will fall in a nice way and it looks quite good. So let's just, and remember one thing, you can always just make it 0 and 0 and it will resize. And remember, anything updated in the play mode will always remain as it is. Like if you made some changes in the play mode, so it will not happen in real time. So remember your adjustments, and when you exit the play mode, then again do it, else your the work you have done will be lost. So here it is now. Let's change the sky block. The skybox, just let's choose something whitish. Uh, I hope it looks good. Updating camera, sky block, solid color. Let's add something grayish. Yes, it will look good. Yes, let's go. So here it is now. So this is it for the video. From the next video, I'm going to teach you how to add coding and stuff to this project. All you need to do is add center plus S and save it, and you can just done. There's nothing else to do. Thank you for watching the video. Let's wait for the next video. I will add coding and stuff. Thank you.